Let's make quick, easy fudge. Start with a heavy saucepan. Add your chocolate chips and some unsalted butter. And then you're going to add sweetened condensed milk and a little bit of salt. And over medium heat, stir until it is completely melted. Make sure it doesn't get too hot because the chocolate can burn, so you have to be careful not to have the heat too high. You just want it to be on medium. Then you're going to remove it from the heat and you're going to add some vanilla extract. At this point, you could add some nuts if you wanted to. That's completely optional. Then you're going to pour the chocolate mixture into a parchment paper lined loaf pan and spread it evenly. And then you're going to refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours. Then remove it from the refrigerator and turn it out to a cutting board. And then you can slice it into cubes. And you have a delicious fudge. How easy was that? It's delicious. Fudge is a really great candy to make for gifts for the holidays or just for any time. Find the recipe on momlovesbaking.com.